So hello everyone and welcome to a brand new episode of Velocigear. So today Zohair Ahmad, one of the famous motovloggers of Hyderabad, just posted an image that he's in Bangalore and he is organizing a meetup in Cubbon Park, which is in the middle of the city, basically in the middle of the city. So I'm now heading over to that place, and Zohair Ahmad had mentioned that he would be there at 4 p.m. Now it's around 3:15, I guess. So I'm leaving early because Bangalore has unpredictable traffic, dude. You will never know when you will be stuck in a traffic jam. So that's the reason I'm leaving a bit early. So let's go. So I think many YouTubers would turn up for the event. It would be awesome meeting everyone after a long while. The last time I had met many YouTubers was during Mumbai Connectional meetup. So hoping to meet new people, new vloggers, new lives. That's so amazing, dude. So Zohair Ahmad, since he's from Hyderabad, he does some vlogs in Hyderabadi Urdu. I know Urdu, but I'll try to speak to him in Hyderabadi style, dude. It'll be awesome, just for a change. I don't think so I'll be talking to him in English. Let's try something new. So I would be talking to him in Urdu. Let's see how it turns up. So most of the schools are around Cubbon Park, and as it is 3:30, this is the time when all the schools leave. So a lot of traffic starts accumulating and leads to traffic jams. Wow, BMW 6 Series, dude. Shit, awesome. So we have reached Cubbon Park. We just have to cross this main road. So this is Cubbon Park, people. We have finally reached this place. This is the location where Zohair Ahmad is going to come. So guys, now I'm in Cubbon Park and I think I'm the first one to arrive. Hope so. Or I guess those guys are meeting up somewhere else. I've come to this place because last time Mumbai Ka Nikhil had also come to the same place in Cubbon Park. So hoping that these guys turn up over here only. But let's wait and watch. Let's have a walk and see whether we can find any motovloggers somewhere around. So the time is around 3:15 now and I haven't found any motovlogger or anyone over here. I'm still waiting. Hope someone turns up quickly. It's gonna be very exciting. So the time is 4 o'clock now and there's no sign of any motovlogger around, not even Zohair bhai. I don't know where these guys are. Let's wait and watch what happens. So guys, now I'm in Shivaji Nagar at Joe's. Actually I had mistaken, the meet was actually tomorrow at 4 p.m. But my bad that I didn't read the status or anything properly, and then I had come off today at 4. But no problem. I found Mr. Zohair Ahmad. Actually, he updated his Instagram picture that he was in Joe's repairing his bike, and I found him over here. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to show you Mr. Zohair bhai. So, Zohair bhai, चलो आप हैदराबादी में बात करेंगे आपको. बहुत दिनों से उर्दू बात करने के लिए एक साथी को ढूंढ रहा था मैं. तो Zohair bhai, आपको आपकी नेक्स्ट गाड़ी कौन सी आएगी?
नेक्स्ट गाड़ी इंशाल्लाह देख रहा हूँ मैं तो Z1000 या हायाबुसा दोनों से कुछ.
हायाबुसा उठेंगे अगर
हायाबुसा या Z1000 अभी जो भी ज़्यादा यूजेबल रही.
हाँ,
अभी टाइम है लेकिन नॉट एनी टाइम सून इंशाल्लाह. ज़रा एक साल.
तो आपको राइडिंग में कैसा इंटरेस्ट आया? कब से आप जज्बा आया चलाने का?
क्या है, फैमिली हमारे डैडी RD350 चलाते थे. मामू लोग सब
ओ RD350 ठीक है आपके
हमारे मामू लोग के पास भी गाड़ियाँ बहुत थे.
हाँ.
अभी वन मैं कॉलेज में आने के बाद मेरे को उतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. CBR 250 थी मेरे पास.
ओके.
पहले कॉलेज जाने आने के लिए यूज़ किया, फिर राइड्स का मज़ा लग के वहाँ से स्टंटिंग का बहुत शौक है।
ओके।
व्हीली हमेशा से आई लव टू व्हीली।
हाँ व्हीली देखे हैं आपके
करते
फ्रेंड।
करते 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 वो ऐसा फ्लो में आ गए, वो गाड़ी गया यार आया। नाउ आई स्टार्टेड टूरिंग एंड ऑल इंशाल्लाह। और भी
तो आपका बेस्ट वीडियो जो मैं देखा हूँ, जो आपका ये बेस्ट डायलॉग मुझे आके होंडा नवी और होंडा डियो का, ये डियो आधी छिचोंद्री गाड़ी है बट नवी तो छोड़ो, पूरी की पूरी छिचोंद्री। आई लव दैट पर्टिकुलर डायलॉग डूड, आई लव द शिट आउट ऑफ मायसेल्फ एट दैट मोमेंट। अमेजिंग व्लॉग्स डूड। और लिस्बन आया था आपको क्वेश्चन पूछने की, सारे का सारा भूल गया, वो एक्साइटमेंट वो मिलने का।
कोई बात नहीं, हम टिल मंडे एंड एनीवेज मीटअप कल भी है।
Fine.
कभी भी कोरमंगला साइड आए तो हम ऑलवेज।
तो आपको बैंगलोर कैसा पसंद आया? क्या आपको बैंगलोर की बिरयानी पसंद की हैदराबाद की बिरयानी?
हैदराबाद की बिरयानी
वो था।
नीट है हैदराबाद।
तो क्लाइमेट सब अच्छा,
ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा है।
ट्रैफिक बहुत भाई, अब तो बहुत सोचता था जहर भाई क्या कैसा मिलना ये ट्रैफिक में। फाइन जहर भाई, नाइस टू मीट यू।
सेम यार,
आपको मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
एनी टाइम देखिए, अगर इफ यू कैन मेक इट टुमारो डू ट्राई मेकिंग।
फाइन श्योर सर, आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट टू मीट यू टुमारो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
चलिए कैरी ऑन।
Oh, amazing spoiler and diffuser on this Volkswagen GT, dude. Man. So guys, what happened now is I waited in Cubbon Park for a long time, around till 4:30, and then I saw no one had turned up for the meetup. Even Zohair Ahmed hadn't come. Then I checked Zohair Ahmed's Instagram account, and I found that he was in Joe's. Joe's is one of the famous superbike shop in Bangalore, and so I thought why not go to Joe's, and I headed over to Joe's, and there I found Mr. Zohair Ahmed. So it was amazing, it was nice to meet him. So it was my bad that I couldn't go on the right day and on the right time. So I will so the thing is, I'll try going tomorrow if possible, because tomorrow I have some other event to attend at so tomorrow I have another event which starts at 1:30 and ends at 6 o'clock, but the meetup will be going to be at 4 o'clock. So hope meeting him, hope these guys will still be there in Cubbon Park after 6 o'clock. Let's wait and watch what happens. So anyways, I really appreciate Mr. Zohair Ahmed. His vlogs are amazing, and thank you Zohair Ahmed for spending small amount of time with me. It was just awesome, dude. It was just awesome meeting a famous YouTuber from Hyderabad. Thank you very much Zohair Ahmed, and this was the end of Bangalore meetup. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like and the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Peace.